If your FaceTime reactions gestures aren't working on your iPhone, try these quick fixes. First, update your iPhone to the latest version by opening Settings, tapping General and choosing Software Update. Install any available update and restart your device. Next, open FaceTime and make sure both gestures and reactions are switched on. Good lighting and a clear view of your face and hands are crucial, so position yourself in a bright room and hold your thumbs up or peace sign directly in front of the front-facing camera. If you still don't see any hearts, fireworks, or thumbs up floating on screen, turn off low power mode in Settings under Battery, since power saving can disable camera-based features. Then return to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, select Camera, and ensure FaceTime has permission to use the camera. You can also reset FaceTime by toggling the feature off in its settings and back on again. As a last resort, open Settings, go to General, choose Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and select Reset All Settings. This clears preferences without deleting your data. If gestures still fail, you may need to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store to rule out hardware issues. Once you've tried these steps, your FaceTime reactions should work smoothly again. Thanks for watching. If this helped, tap like, leave a comment with your favorite FaceTime effect, and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips.